Fish on.
I think this guy's going to be about the same size as your other ones.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth trying to trade any of that unless I get a big one. You're fine, man. Get it back to the bottom and see about more keepers. So all the keepers I'm getting now, they're just throwing them in the box to where once we're finished fishing, if people haven't got their limiter tagged out, they will give them to those people so they'll have meat to take home, which is pretty handy because some people get sick, some people don't catch anything. Some people are just jackasses like these people beside me that can't catch anything. And another hookup. Fish on. Little one this time.
You been reeling that off the bottom quite a bit or keeping it down there? On the
About 3 or 4 foot off the bottom. Hit the bottom, just reeled up probably 4 cranks, and shit, if it's down there for more than 30 seconds, you're soaking a bare hook. Back down to the bottom. one's got a lot of line out, so it's going to take a little while to... Oh, somebody's chumming. Look at that. Multicolored yawn. Oh! Might have just got a shark on there. So something got on it just now.
What do you got now?
I don't know. It was a snapper, and then something got him.
Oh, buddy. Try and point that rod tip down, okay?
Okay. Shark. Had a shark.
I did have a fish.
So let me get some. So pretty good footage right there where the shark had him. Can you get the other side? Yeah, the shark tore him up. He was having lunch.
Shark?
Thanks, man.
You got tagged?
Sharked him. Oh, I'm tagged out. No, I ain't keeping that one.
You might just check your hook right here if there's any
See if
frays.
it's-
I can swap it out.
Okay, I'll check him out good.
Doesn't look too bad though.
Had a shark for a while.
Yeah. Almost got half of them.
Yeah.
We were in Destin, Florida. We couldn't get them in the boat quick enough. They were ripping them in half.
I usually just pull up a bunch of heads out here, but I haven't seen it the last couple of days. So
Right.
he was taking a good grip on him for sure.
Did you feel it?
Oh yeah.
Or did he hold it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he got it 2 or 3 times, so he was following it up.
Right.
I was hoping he was on the hook, but not quite enough. I'm glad we got it on video of him
That's cool.
getting it up. So that's going to be pretty handy.
Yeah, that's nice.
Ought to get some YouTube hits.
You got your channel?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, this is my 3rd day out here so far, and then got 2 more to go. So
Okay.
getting all the footage that I can and see if I can make some good videos.
Right.
But started out Sunday and going through Thursday to get all the footage that I can from a couple different angles.
What on this boat?
This one and the Wharf Cat.
Okay.